Hey, what's good, guys? So first off, I'm using a Canon SX540hs camera. So the audio that you're getting is going to be straight off of this camera. I'm not going to review it, but it is a pretty awesome camera. I like the way that the grip is, to where if you want to use it for like a video vlog, which I will here in another way, clip here, you can hold it where your thumb fits right in there, and it feels really good. But what I want to get over today is the Modal Skulpt. And I want to say about 6 months ago, I and a lot of other people, it was a Kickstarter, and this thing is full of all kinds of stuff. I just want to go ahead and put this up here. It runs off of batteries or a USB. So whenever you hook this thing up, so let me unbox this. Whenever they first came out with it, this lid wasn't even part of it, but since they made their quota or whatnot, it was only like 250 bucks, man. And what's really cool about it is it has the midis, and yes, it has a bunch of that. It's got the USB for power and this, and it came with this cool lid, right? So you can open this and you set this right in here. Alright? Cool. So now it's like a little, like, one reason I want to bring this up, because I was on a road trip the other day, and this is the only thing that I brought with me, and I was able to just simply come over here, sit in the car, and it's got the headphones, line out, sync in and sync out. And that's pretty huge, and you guys know where I'm coming from when I see that sync in, because of course I'm going to plug this into my MPC and see what that CV gate out, or the Akai Force, and see if I can get something synced up. I am going to go over this here in just a few, but what I did want to say is this is awesome because you can save your own patches on the go, and I mean, it's affordable, man, and you take it with you when you're done. It's nice and slim, fits right back in its case, and I believe it's got like 6-7 hours of battery life. Don't quote me on that. I haven't tested it to its full limit yet, but yeah, I had fun with it. And what's really cool is when you plug it into the car, you can really hear how the sounds juggle back and forth. So big shout out to Modal Skulpt. And again, I just want to give you a little preview of some of the stuff, some of the key functions that you want to look at whenever you are considering this thing. I like to just, any noise that you can get to come in, it's got a nice sequencer in it and everything. I mean, couldn't really ask for more for a little synthesizer. I'm really happy with it. So without any further ado, I'm gonna try to hook this up here, and yeah, I guess that was just like a demo of what it does, but I really wanted to check out the audio on this camera at the same time, because I just moved over to this side of the studio and got a lot of suggestions and a lot of help from a lot of people, so thank you for those suggestions. And let me go ahead and stop this camera here and show you why I got into this camera here too, and then we'll get back into a video about making music with this sculptor so you can hear it, or I'll put it in a tag or something on the thing. So let me finish this here real quick. I'll show you something. Alright, cool guys. Again, this is going to be audio coming straight from the camera, so I don't know how it's going to turn out, but these are the sounds, some on this thing, right? So I just plugged it straight line out into here. Cool. It's got so much stuff. So if you take this card here and kind of go through it, presets 1 through 16 to load your presets, you'll Bank. I don't know what I did. I didn't like that. Let me reset this. And we'll get some volume going here too so you can actually hear what's going on. This is bank 8. Preset 4. It's just a cool thing to have with you to be able to save your sounds or whatnot. You know, nice little toy anyway. But yeah, it's got all this stuff on here, man. This isn't a proper demo on this, but I just wanted to show it. Shift preset on bank 2 and a shift preset sound 5. Make some nice drum noises. Bank 3, preset 6. Okay. Bank 1, preset 3. Turn that ARP off. Pretty crazy stuff. I'm gonna have to go through all these other different things on here, but yeah, I just wanted to show this, man. You can plug it straight up into here and it's ready to go. And the cool thing about it is, like I say, it's USB. So you can just take a USB cord and charge it straight off the mixer. So self-sustained music maker. Pretty cool. But right on, guys. Let me figure this out here. Again, guys, just want to go over the Modal Skulpt. And this thing is definitely crazy. I have to put some new batteries in here. But yeah. Good stuff, man. I'll definitely holler at you guys later on again. Thanks for all the love. Thanks for subscribing. And I will holler at you guys here in a little bit. Hopefully this audio came out again. This is off the Canon SX540hs. It's only like $2, man. So it's really not a bad price. So let's check this out, man. Hopefully it came out alright.